Yes. Assalamu alaikum. I was asking that have you read the chapter again? At home, have you revised it? Yes. Voice is coming. May I audible? Okay. So today we have to start. That day I explained also Zamair, Zamair Muttasil, Marfua, and I have given you to write about them. So have written Zamair Marfua. All I told you to write, and I told you to pick out from chapter also. Have done. Voice is not coming. Check your network. Or not not audible. Munazza, you are saying? Okay. Okay. Jazakallah. Or I am asking about Zamaire Munfasil. I have written that day. Zamaire Marfua. है ना? तो have done. I think I told you before that if you haven't book, you want to take book, so you have to ask your other colleagues if they want to take book from school. So write your names and send money should be collected and you 85 rupees of each है ना each book. So you have to collect money and you have to send it to school and you can get from there if you are not it is not on shop. If it is not on shop, so you can do this. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to start exercise. So that I explained Zamaire Munfasil, Marfu Munfasil. Munfasil Zamair are called detached Zamair, which are not attached with any noun or verb or with any harf. Noun, verb, or harf. Sometimes Zamair are attached. So they are called Zamaire Muttasil. Zamaire Muttasil. And Zamair which are not attached, they are called Zamaire Munfasil. Zamaire Munfasil are two types only, Zamaire Marfua and Mansuba. Zamaire Majrura will never be separate because they will be attached with harf jar or they will be attached uh, with the muzafile. They will be muzafile, then they will be majrur, otherwise they will be mansub or marfu. Okay, this is clear. Now I am sharing, I am explaining the word. Yes, here I am writing. I was saying that Zamair will be, okay, Zamair will be attached or they will be separate. Zamair will be munfasil or muttasil. Zamair munfasil, I am writing here. This chapter you have read, but I think you have forgot. It will be anta, or from hua to. nahnu, है ना. हुआ हुमा हुम, हिया हुमा हुन्ना. Yesterday I explained this. That was ज़माइर मरफूआ. ज़माइर मंसूबा मुत्तसिल will be like इयाहो, and you daily you recite इयाका नाबुदु व इयाका नस्तईन. इयाका नाबुदु, you are the only one to whom we worship. व इयाका नस्तईन, you are the only one to whom we ask for help. This ayat you are reading, in fact this ayat is like that, na'buduka. Okay, when it is coming na'buduka, so this is attached zamir. This is attached damir because it is coming with verb. Na'buduka. Okay, and if it is coming separately, so it will be iyaka, so it will be zamire munfasil. This is zamire muttasil, it is attached, like if you are using here a zamir like a zamir with dal, to cannot be attached with anyone, anything, you know. Dal cannot be attached. Yes, it is a word which cannot be attached. If at that place, if any verb alphabet is there which can be attached to like oof, like what happened? Who is doing? Don't touch it, beta. If we can write like ba can be attached, है ना, तो we can say zaraba who, he beat him. This is an attached zamir. This is also an attached zamir. It is coming as maful bihi. But when maful bihi is coming in the starting of the sentence, for which purpose we are taking some time, we are taking a maful bihi before fail to show more importance. That's why it is nabodoka is a simple sentence, we worship you. And when we are saying iyaka nabudu, you are the one, you are the one we worship, whom, है ना, whom we worship. So this is the, or only you we worship, only you we worship. Okay, that's why it is translated like that. So this is called zamir zamir. If zamir mansoob will be muttasil or munfasil, so it will be written with iya, iyaka, iyahu, iyahuma, iyahum, iyaha, iyahuma, iyahunna, iyaka, iyakuma, iyakum, iyaki, iyakuma, iyakunna. Because zamir mansoob, when this is zamir munfasil, you know. Now I am going to write zamir muttasil. What they are? In front, where you have written zamir marfu munfasil, हुआ, हुआ. Zamir muttasil comes who, huma. Zamir muttasil comes huma, whom. Zamir muttasil also comes whom, but it will be attached with someone, like kitabuhu, kitabuhu, kitabuhuma. This is attached zamir. Okay, or nasra. No, zamair are proper noun. All zamair are proper noun. There is no common noun. Uh, okay, they are proper only. When you are saying hua, हुआ मुहंदिसुन, like that, हुआ मुहंदिसुन. तो about a proper person you are saying हुआ, है ना. हाजा अखी, this is my brother. You are introducing your brother. You are saying haza akhi. So then again you will not say that akhi muhandisun. You will say huwa muhandisun. So huwa is our zamair are proper because they comes at the place of proper noun. Okay. You have to. Okay. हुआ किताबुन will not be said बेटा. हाजा किताबुन और जाले का किताबुन. हाजा किताबुन. No, so because here you are saying about you are indicating something na. Zalika kitabun. Huwa kitabun will not come. It is a book. It's a book. So we will say haza kitabun. It's a book. Haza kitabun. Huwa will not be. Huwa comes for a person. Non-living things say. Oh, if you are saying that about the animals, okay. So you will say that haza kalbi huwa wafiyun. Okay, understand? And but mufrad zamair can be used if they are coming muzakkar, to muzakkar mufrad, and if are coming muannas mufrad, to muannas mufrad. But if they are coming jama, to only muannas sigha will be used. Okay. I'm asking all of you. Now, Zamair Muttasil, I was saying that all Zamair which are attached, they are called Zamair Muttasil. Muttasil means attached. Muttasil. Coming after noun, after fail, coming after noun, like here I have written Nasar Tuka, I helped you. है ना. I am writing a Nasar Tuka here. So I helped you. Okay. Here are very good. Who has done this? Nasartu. Ab here two zamair are attached. One tu and second ka. I help you. So there are two zamair. I, tu and ka also. Tu is file in halate rafa. It should be in halate rafa because it is coming file. And ka will be zamir mansoob muttasil because it is coming as maful bihi. According to their place, we will say that this is zamir marfu or zamir mansoob or zamir majroor. Kitabuhu. Kitabuhu is like kitabu hamidin. If I am saying Hamid's book, I will say kitabu hamidin. And if I am saying his book, so I will say kitabuhu. Okay? Got it? Now, Hamidin is majroor because it is muzaf ilayh. So, who will be also majroor in jar condition because it is also muzaf ilayh. Okay? Kitabuhuma, this is in jar condition because this is muzaf ilayh. And you know that zamair are, one thing keep it in mind, zamair are marfa and they are mabni. They are marfa and they are mabni. Do you know mabni? Unchangeable. Their era will never be changed. In any condition, their era will never be changed. If it is coming hum rejalun. I am saying hum rejalun, and here I am saying that hum is mubtada. That's why it is in rafa condition. This is mubtada, that's why in rafa condition, but you will find that this is jazm is coming here. And I am saying kitabuhum, all it will be find Kitabuhum, jazm is coming because it is mabni alal jazm. What is that? Mabni ala sukun. It is mabni ala sukun. Kitabuhum. And nasartuhum. Can you tell me in which conditions they are coming? Nasartuhum. Anyone can tell me? In first, it is coming in rafa condition because it is mubtada. Beta, one thing keep it in mind. Should try to know the reason of Arab. If you will find it, then you can give proper Arab and you can understand at which position this word is coming. Okay? Should know the reason. It is very necessary. And if curiosity will be there to know that why it is like that, so then you can find out easily. Everything will be easy. And if you are not creating curiosity in yourself, so everything will be difficult. How I can do? How it is done? है ना? In which condition it is coming? Which era will come? You should think about it, and you easily you find out. I know very well. So this is in rafa condition because very clear reason is there कि it is mubtada. This is in jar condition, very clear reason is there because it is muzaf ilay. Kitabo muzaf, hum muzaf ilay. Their book. Okay? Book of them. Books of them. Okay? Nasar to whom? I helped them. I helped them. I is a subject, means file. Them is object, means maful bihi. You know very well, maful bihi will be always. Maful bihi will always in nasab condition. So I can say they are same. Their Arab is not changed. Look carefully, everyone. Their Arab is not changed, but I can say this is in rafa condition because it is mubtada. This is in jar condition because it is muzaf ilayh. It is in nasab condition because it is maful bihi. Now clear? Beta, because it is maful bihi, muzaf ilayh. Kitabu muzaf, hum muzaf ilayh. Like kitab. Eh? What? Pronounce the word? Means? Nasab condition. When fatha comes, zabar comes. Like Nasar to ka is saying? Nasara Khalidun Hamidan. Okay? So Hamidan is maful bihi, that's why it is coming marfu. Khalidun is marfu because it is coming file. Hamidan is maful bihi because it is coming maful bihi. Okay? But I am using zamir for both file and maful bihi. I want to say I will not tell that if I help Moiz, so I will not say that Nahid helped Moiz. Okay? I will say that I helped Moiz. Like that, na? Huh? What I will say? I am to not third person. I am to first person. So I will use the zamir of ana with verb. And when an ana is used with verb in fi'l mazi, so it will be changed with tu. You are not writing gardan. That's why you are not understanding. This to you have done in 6th, 7th, both classes. And I explained it at the blackboard how they will be zamair are attached with verb. Now you forgot everything and I have to repeat. Okay? So this is file. Which noun will come at which zamir will come at the place of file will be in rafa condition always. Zamir which is coming at the place of maful bihi will be mansoob always. Okay? If it is coming as muzafileh or after harfejar it will be zamire majroor. Why? It is coming after harfejar or I'm raising this word. No, this is to clear Arab. I'm saying anhu. Zamir is attached in which condition? The zamir which is attached here with an is in which condition? Can you tell me, anyone? Anhu. I have written anhu. This is I am doing right. This word. In which condition this zamir is coming? Anhu. Beta, you are in 8th class. Use your mind. What is an? An. An it is written. Ayn noon an. Chalo, okay. I am raising this. You know this word also, but you cannot do. So I am in 8th class. You are. Please pay attention. I am writing here minhu. Okay? Who opened mic? Now time is going. I have mentioned that I have to do exercise also. I have take, but looks that I cannot take. Minhu. Shema, I think you have opened your mic. Oh, muted your mic, unmuted your mic. Minhu. No. Tell me this. Minhu. What is min? Tell me that what is yes. This is an is also a harfejar. Okay? An is also harfejar. But after that zamir is coming, you look that it is coming who, because it is its original form, and zamir's era will never be changed. I am telling this. They are coming in jar condition because should know the reason. This is coming after harfejar. Confidently I will say that this is zamire majroor. Why? Before harfejar, there is harfejar before it, and the noun which is coming after harfejar will be always majroor. That's why I will say ki this is zamire majroor. Okay? Got it? Now, I want to explain exercises because you have to do it. So, quickly we have to do. Understand? Zamaire Majroor. Here, I will discuss about it again, inshallah. Now, first you have to do the exercise first. Open. Book is opened. First exercise is question answer, I think. Yes. So question answer we have to discuss about it. What is that? Man ta'akhara fil usul ila al mat'am. Man ta'akhara. So you should take from answer. Take answer. Umrah, I'm not asking translation. You are better in 8th class. Keep it in your mind. Every time you are not going to translate the question. Man ta'akhara fil usuli ila al mat'am. You should know its meaning. So you have to take answer from here. Ta'akhara fil usuli ila al mat'am, and one word will be there. Which word will be there? Okay. Yes. Nothing is there. Lemaza lam yastate Ahmadu an yaral iqda jayyadan. So you should take answer lam yastate Ahmadu an yaral iqda jayyadan. After that, a sentence will come. What it will be? لأنه نسي نظارته. من أي معدن كان اليقظ مصنوعا. You should take answer. كان اليقظ مصنوعا من. أين وقع محل اليقظ. Where was the shop, or where are the place where, that okay. ماذا فعل الأصدقاء في المطعم. What they did. Yes. You have to read the chapter clearly, है ना. Carefully you have to read the chapter and take out answers. I will not tell that on which page it is. Okay. No. ماذا فعل الأصدقاء في المطعم. What they did. They ate and drank. They ate and drank only. Okay. Yes, they talked, but for that purpose they have gone there, na. Okay. And second question, you should repeat the chapter because sentences are coming from the chapter and you have to go there and pick out the answer. Anta. Oof. Yes. Here, anti kunti. Which zamir will be attached here. imla il firaga bezamair al muttasil al munasiba mustayinan bid-dars. Taking help from the chapter and you have to write the correct zamir muttasil. Okay. So this sentence. Na. First one is na. Then whom, ki, ha, who, e. If you will go to the chapter, you will find these sentences written. Okay. Not. And third question, you have to select correct zamir. Amilun nashitun. Huma, hiya, huwa. Which will come? Huma will come. Amilun is mufrad or mufrad muzakkar or it is musanna? Tell me. हाँ तो should look carefully ना. That musafiratane. What will come? Huma. Mu'addabuna. Anta, antuma, antum. Okay. Now you have to complete because I am not going to take it now. And I will see it on WhatsApp group. Now the next question is there. Fourth question. You have to read the sentences carefully and be'anayatin means carefully. Read the sentences carefully and after that question is coming al-an istakhrij min al-jumal. Now you have to pick out from the sentences zamaire mutakallim, zamaire mukhatab and zamaire ghaib. Okay. Very easy questions are there. And I want that you have to do yourself. When you will do yourself, so you will be able to understand it more properly. Okay. And very easy. Anta. Now example, anta. Which zamir is this? Anta. Mutakallim. Anta. You is first person. Mutakallim is first person. Mukhatab. Huwa. Yes, huwa. Huwa shabum min al maghrib. Min al maghrib means from west. है ना? Yes. Huma hajjan. Hajjun means pilgrim. Yes. और अंतुन्ना मुसाफिरातुन इलल इराक. नानु मुस्लिमूना min Maldives. This is Maldives. Hiya zahibatun ila Australia. So this is Australia. Antuma alemane mean Thailand. So it is Thailand is coming for that. Which place? Yeah, okay, Thailand, yes. Okay, so you have to pick out Zamair right in front of Zamair Mutakallim. Zamair Mutakallim with Zamair Mutakallim are coming. You have to write there. Zamair Mukhatab. Here you have to write Zamair Mukhatab. And Zamair Ghaib. Here you have to write Zamair Ghaib or Zamair Ghaib. है ना? Which are coming in these sentences. Okay? Can do. Second, third, and fourth. Yeah, you can do in book, but very lazy girl. है ना? Okay. Uh, yes, you can do. I will give worksheet. So then you have to do in copy. Okay. Question answer you have to do. Question answer you have to do in copy. Yes. So just now you have to start. When we will go to WhatsApp group, so you have to show me. Okay. Because it is very easy to do second, third question, fourth question. Do it quickly, all of you. Anyone want to ask anything? You have to write there. And I am doing here. Zamaire Muttasil. Zamaire Munfasil I have written. Zamaire Muttasil I am going to write.